Cindy, congratulations, young lady. You are now a 6-day champion.
Cindy Stowell did not live to see her episodes air, but her Jeopardy journey and winning streak has captivated the nation.
She's had kind of a crazy run of skill and maybe a little bit of luck mixed in, and that's kind of been a real bright point among kind of obviously some other tragic circumstances the last couple weeks.
While Stowell lost her battle with cancer at 41, just 8 days before her episode started airing, her boyfriend and family managed to keep her winning streak a secret.
It was definitely a hard secret to keep.
Stowell, a science content developer, was a lifelong Jeopardy fan. After passing the online test to be a contestant, she reached out to producers, knowing that her time was limited. In an email, she wrote, "Do you have any idea how long it typically takes between an in-person interview and the taping date? I ask because I just found out that I don't have too much longer to live." Producers were able to expedite her taping, and just 3 weeks later, Stowell was on set with Alex Trebek, fighting through her pain to make her Jeopardy dreams a reality.
When the lights were on, I think, call it a surge of adrenaline or what, she was able to sort of fight through all that was going on.
Bet it all.
Her winning streak is still playing out on air, and her last wish is to have her jackpot donated to cancer research.
We do sort of have a legacy of her, and it's really kind of a great way that, you know, she was able to leave something to be remembered by.
Rachel Crane, CNN, New York.